So the rise in quantum computers, insanely fast quantum mechanics in action with computers. So Majorana 1, the first of a kind. So this is basically the first computer, first chip, the first stable quantum computer, basically the first transistor computer in 1958 language. And this is the basic start for the foundation for the new quantum computers. It can do crazy hard math in like seconds, which means it will solve problems quickly. So this is basically the transistor moment for computers, and this is gonna lay the foundation for new quantum computers that are really fast for physics and chemistry. So this is what I'm talking about. Majorana 1, the chip that's pretty much stable, but it's not the best for world uses yet. But this chip actually provides one of its kind breakthroughs, basically solving problems that will take decades and years. So basically, this is a new type of material that they're using. This was never possible before because usually quantum computers were not stable to be used. Basically, think about a computer that's not stable at all, and whenever we try to run it, it just breaks down and restarts. So they say that they created a new material, which they say is not a solid or a gas, but a new typo geochemical state. So it's not really any of those materials that we see typically. So basically it's so hard because particles are really small in this computer. Like transistors are small, but this is really super small at quantum scale. So this is really unstable for computers to use. It's really hard to scale. So Majorana 1. This chip basically will kill blockchain, so money won't be safe. Basically, the reason it won't be safe because usually blockchain right now, cryptocurrency is usually protected by insanely hard math problems, and those math problems are basically a lock where you have to try different codes to get the right lock to open it. So you have the keys basically, but those keys are only with you. Another person, if he wants to open it, he in theory can try all the combinations, and if he gets the right combination, it will work, but it will take a lot of time. So basically, the same goes with traditional computers, where the transistor computer of today is super slow at doing those tasks that these things like blockchain requires. So, so basically, that really hard mathematical problem will be cracked, and it will get really bad for the people that are having their money in crypto. So crypto will actually start to crash because of this big problem that miners basically the mining community in crypto will be able to solve each block insanely fast. So right now I think for Bitcoin it takes about one um almost a year to get full Bitcoin or less. But for quantum computers it will take less than a year or maybe even 1 hour to take one Bitcoin. So I used to think that blockchain was good because of its advantages, but now I think money will be best in the future when it's manual, so not digital. So best when it's easy to transfer. Basically, we'll still use digital transfer like Stripe, but we won't use like cryptocurrency, which is solvable in the future. More corruption. This will lead to more corruptions, and but that's the compromise we're gonna take. So even though crypto can be quantum computer proof, where it cannot be broken, but this also means later on down the road we'll get another some type of computer that will break it. So eventually everything on digital can be broken. So money shouldn't be broken at all because it will lead to distrust, and we don't want that. So so yeah, that's what I think for crypto and blockchain in the future. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.